Let's take a look at the chart action for Bitcoin. All right, so I just got some limit orders filled on Bitcoin at 41,063 and another one at 39,955. Let me show you why I put limit orders there in the first place. We had an uptrend like this. We broke this uptrend going sideways. After that, I set up a Fibonacci retracement from the bottom of the trend to the top of the trend. I kind of got faked out a little bit right here, but I was still watching these Fibonacci retracement levels from the bottom to the top, something like that. I was watching the 50% level and the 61% level, because if we zoom out, we had a bounce come down right here, a little bit of trading area, a little bit of support in that area right there, and then we also wicked down to this line right here. So in general, I had my limit order set right here and right here. We started trending down. We hit these limit orders. Now I'm kind of curious if we're going to get a bounce or we're going to continue to head down. The other thing I was watching is if we jump over to the 4-hour time frame and zoom out a little bit, we have support right here and support right here. It looks like we had an uptrend going to the upside, and I was waiting for a break on this trend as well. And look, we broke this trend going to the downside. So in general, I don't really like the way we did that, but I'm still kind of curious if we're going to get a bounce on these Fibonacci levels. Since we broke this trend line going to the downside, the next spots that I'm looking at for limit orders are these orange lines. If we switch over to the daily time frame, something like this, you can see that one of the orange lines is on the bottom of the bodies, and then one of them is on the wick. And then if we zoom out a little bit, we have this other bottom right here. Gave us some support in the past at around 29,610. This spot right here is sitting at around 33,059, and the bottom of the bodies is sitting around 35,028. I've been looking at these and talking about these for a while now as well. So yeah, let's see if we can get a bounce right here on 40,000, because if we go ahead and jump into the 1-hour time frame, let's go ahead and get rid of some of this stuff. The Fibonacci retracement is the reason why I was watching these limit orders. Actually, let's go ahead and bring that back. We're going to want to look at this Fibonacci retracement level now. Let's go ahead and delete the trend lines though for right now, because one of the trend lines that I'm watching is this resistance and this resistance. Let's go ahead and switch over to the 4-hour time frame just so we can get a clearer view. We have resistance and resistance, a downtrend, something like this. The main reason I like watching these Fibonacci retracement levels is because sometimes we're trending down, we get some volatility off these Fibonacci retracement levels. So sometimes we'll come down, hit these levels, get a bounce. Sometimes the Fibonacci retracement levels will reject us and push us down. So these are some of the levels that we can also watch to get rejected on. But if we break through them, then we can maybe look at the next one and so on. I think we could possibly even be looking at coming back up to here. Just speculation. I mean, it's possible that we do something like this. Maybe we don't even come up that high. Maybe we just come up to the 38% level, boom, and then do something. I don't know, it just depends. But sometimes we get bounces on these Fibonacci retracement levels, and that's why I put limit orders on them. We hit this one right here, and it looks like we're getting a little bit of support right now. If we jump into the 1-hour time frame, I'm watching this resistance, this support, and this support. This kind of looks like a double bottom possibly, but in general it does look like we got some support right here. And then we also got some resistance, and it does look like we're testing to the upside right now, and it kind of looks like a falling wedge pattern. So this could possibly be bullish. Basically, we're waiting for a breakout to the upside or to the downside right now. But in general, I do like watching the Fibonacci retracement levels because sometimes we get a bounce. Let's see if we get a bounce right here, or if we get rejected and continue to head down somewhere around 40,000. Right now we're sitting around 40,000. Let's see if we get a bounce right there and maybe head up to around, I don't know, it really just depends. The Fibonacci retracement levels, this one is sitting around 41,000. This one is around 42.1 thousand. This one is around 43.5 thousand, and then this trend line up here is sitting at around 44,000. So it really just depends on it. We could get rejected on any of those levels, or we could even just fall through the bottom and start pushing to the downside and start looking at these orange levels that I've been watching as well. Let me know what you guys think though. If you like Bitcoin, hit that thumbs up button. If you're new to trading, check out this playlist right here. It'll help you get started at looking at your own charts on TradingView. It'll help you basically get started on TradingView. If you like these videos, hit that thumbs up and I'll see you in the next one.